Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll walk you through signing up on Bybit using your phone, adding funds, and placing your first futures trade, one step at a time. Each part is explained in a simple way, so even first-time users can follow along with ease. Let's start by creating a Bybit account for you. Please install the Bybit app on your phone first. After the installation finishes, open the app. On the main screen, tap Sign Up Login to begin. Next, tap Sign Up in the top right corner. You'll now be asked to select your nationality. Once chosen, tap Register Now at the bottom. You can create your account using either an email address or a phone number. In the referral code section, enter SKY333 to receive 20% fee discount and extra bonus rewards. After entering the code, you'll see a message confirming that exclusive rewards are activated. At the bottom, tick the agreement box. Then tap Sign Up Now to move forward. To pass the security check, slide the puzzle to the right. After that, enter the verification code you received. Next, you'll be prompted to set a password. The password must be at least 8 characters long. It should include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers as well. Once the password is ready, tap Sign Up Now. Your Bybit account has now been created successfully. Next, let's continue with identity verification. To enable deposits, withdrawals, and trading, identity verification is required. Tap Verify My Identity to get started. First, choose the country where you currently live. Then move on to the ID verification step. Select the type of identification you'll submit. For this walkthrough, I'll choose a passport. Get your ID ready and tap Continue. Tap Continue once again to proceed. Align your passport within the frame and take a clear photo of the information page. Next, you'll be taken to facial verification. Carefully follow the instructions shown on the screen. Move your face and blink as instructed to complete the process. This completes your identity verification submission. There's about an hour of screening time. After the screening, it will be changed to verified. Now, let's move on to securing your account. From the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top left corner, then select the arrow icon in the upper right area. Open the security menu. We'll strengthen protection by enabling Google 2FA. Tap Activate to begin the process. If requested, complete the email or phone verification step. The Google Authenticator setup screen will now appear. Install the Google Authenticator app on your phone, and tap Continue in the Bybit app. You'll see a setup key displayed on the screen. Copy the setup key shown here. Next, open the Google Authenticator app. Tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner, and choose Enter a setup key. For the account name, type Bybit. Paste the setup key into the key input field. A 6-digit code labeled Bybit will now appear. Copy this code and return to the Bybit app. Tap Next, then enter the 6-digit code into the field provided. Once the code is confirmed, the Google Authenticator setup is complete. Next, let's start by walking you through how to fund your account on Bybit. Bybit offers a few different ways to add funds. For this guide, we'll be using an on-chain transfer method. Look to the bottom right of the screen and tap on Assets. Inside this section, you'll notice 2 separate wallet types. The funding wallet is used for deposits and withdrawals. The unified trading wallet is where all trading activity happens. To begin adding funds, select the funding wallet first. After that, tap on Deposit. From the menu that appears, choose Deposit Crypto. Now, pick the coin you want to send. Most users typically choose USDT here. Next, decide which network you'll use for the transfer. For many people, the Tron network is the most common option. Once everything is set, a deposit address will be generated automatically. Copy the address shown on your screen. Then, open the exchange or wallet where your crypto is currently held. From there, select Send or Withdraw. Be sure you are using the on-chain withdraw option. Choose the same cryptocurrency you selected on Bybit. Paste the Bybit deposit address into the recipient field. Double-check that the network matches the one chosen on Bybit. Type in the amount you want to transfer, then tap Withdraw to proceed. After a brief processing period, the funds will show up in your Bybit funding wallet. Finally, let's start by taking a detailed look at how futures trading works on Bybit. Before you place your first futures trade, you'll need to move your funds from the funding wallet to the unified trading wallet. Begin by tapping on Funding. Next, choose Transfer to start the process. Set the transfer path from the funding account to the unified trading account. Select the cryptocurrency you want to move. Enter the amount. Then tap Confirm. After a short moment of processing, the funds will be visible in your unified trading wallet. Now, let's move into the futures trading section. Tap Trade in the center of the bottom menu. At the top of the screen, switch to Futures. This will open the futures trading screen. First, tap the icon located in the top left corner. From the list, pick the cryptocurrency you want to trade. Next up, select your margin mode. With isolated mode, only the margin for that specific position is used. With cross mode, your entire margin balance is shared across positions. For most beginners, isolated mode is generally the safer choice. Right next to it, tap here to adjust your leverage. On Bybit, leverage can go as high as 100x. Higher leverage may boost potential gains, but it also increases risk. If you're just getting started, using lower leverage is much safer. Below this area, you can see how much margin you have available. Tap here to choose your order type. A market order fills instantly at the current market price. A limit order lets you set the exact price you want. Enter your order price and the quantity. Below that, decide which direction you want to trade. Select long if you believe the price will go up. Select short if you expect the price to drop. By tapping positions at the bottom, you can check all active trades. Here, you'll find detailed information for each position. Unrealized P&L displays your current profit or loss. The entry price shows where you entered the trade. The mark price represents the current reference market price. The leak price indicates the price where liquidation would occur. To control risk more efficiently, tap Set TPSL to configure take profit and stop loss levels. When you're ready to close the trade, tap Close By. You can exit using either a market order or a limit order. Enter the closing price and the amount. Tap Confirm to complete the process. The position will now be fully closed. In today's video, I showed you how to register on Bybit using your phone, add funds to your account, and begin futures trading step by step. Your likes and subscriptions genuinely mean a great deal to me, and they play a big role in helping this channel grow. Thank you so much for watching.